So we've come for a nature walk. We just found some Scottish thistle. It's good for protection because of all the spikes on it. I actually already have some that I've picked. And I'm drying it out. I was just telling Jackie, oh, it's a good nature walk.
I'm telling you, you gotta walk where you're going.
While I tripped, and then she tripped, and then I smacked myself because I forgot my bug spray. But yeah, thought I'd come to the park. I got some beautiful feathers, guys. It's got like purple on it. I don't know what bird it's from. It's probably from a duck or a goose, but I'm not sure.
I don't know, they're not big enough, you know what I mean?
They're not huge, but
They might be.
we went to go look at the deer, which I'll insert a clip here. You guys can see her. There she is right there. There's like a deer in our park. And there was a peacock, I don't know where, somewhere, but there's a few. Oh, I'm getting bit. Did you guys hear that? I just smacked myself. Hang on. There she is. I gotta go see if I can find some peacock. I'd sing in the jungle, but then I'd probably get dinged for it. But like, you can't even hum it.
I can't hum. I can't sing, let alone hum.
Love it. Wait. There we go. Sorry, camera movement. Alright, taking you on my walk. Wait a minute, guys. You'll hear a smack and a shake. There we go. I just got bit. Oh, man. I did bring some paper bags with me. And a plastic bag because I was collecting feathers. Ew, gross. Ew, I just ate a bug. Protein. Kidding, guys.
Oh, you hear that strange noise?
No. You?
Yes, me perfect.
Good Lord. Oh. Is that a squirrel that just ran up the tree? Yeah. Can you see that squirrel? It's like right there.
What is that?
The squirrel ran up the tree.
Oh.
Alright. I was hoping there were some cedar trees in here, but I think it's only on the outside of the trail. Sorry for my Darth Vader breathing. Luke, I am your father. Oh God, bug, get out! I just smacked my glasses. Woodpecker holes. Hold on, let me see. Can you see that?
Mm-hmm.
I started walking really fast because, like, I had one bug hit the jugular. So I started walking really fast. And I was telling Jack, I know we don't supposed to leave man behind, but sorry, Jack, I'm getting eaten alive. There is the opening. Isn't that pretty? That is so cool. It's like the mushroom, oh no, fungus on the tree, right? That's cool. They're poisonous, I think.
Probably.
Yeah, I'm not touching them. Just in case. I know. I'm on the swing. I decided to go on the swing. And Jackie over there. She goes, you got a pump. Thought I'd be a kid again. It's a little bit higher than usual. Hang on, let me flip this camera around for you guys.
Yeah, because they dug out the ground.
They had to have dug out the ground. Or I'm really short.
Well, so am I.
True.
But I think I'm a bit taller than you.
I think so. Ooh, mosquito bites. So I thought I'd just do a quick video of my nature walk. And we're just gonna have some fun on the swings. I'll turn this around. Let's make. Can you guys see them all? I'm just picking feathers. And I came across these guys just sunning themselves. Oh, I got an itch on my head.
Careful.
Sorry. That's awesome. So I've picked some cedar, so I'm going to do some cedar bundles. I will show you guys later. Alright guys, so I am leaving. I'm going to go to my friend's house. Got to use the loo. But we found a pine cone, some birds, feathers and stuff. So you guys take care. Bye-bye.